A slow computer wastes a lot of your time, but it doesn't have to. Stop waiting. You can make a slow computer fast with a simple memory upgrade. Installing memory is fast and easy. It only takes a few minutes, and you don't have to know much about computers. You can install memory in 4 quick steps. Turn off your computer. Open the case. Pop the memory in. Close the case. A memory upgrade is also less expensive than a new computer. Invest a few minutes now, reap the long-term performance rewards, and take back the time your computer is costing you by installing more memory.